Hey, it's Jason. The front's coming through. It's about 6:15 p.m. We got a big front coming through right now. It's getting real windy. Here we go. We're getting real winds now. Very windy. Cold front's coming through now, so it's going to start cooling down pretty soon. But the winds are picking up, and this front's about to cool through. The temperature right now is about 80 degrees. By tomorrow morning, it should hit like around 50. Big cold front. Yeah. In case it gets crazy. Oh, yeah. Getting real windy. See, the trees are going nuts. There you go. Wow. Oh, look at the trees are blowing like crazy now. Holy mackerels. Yeah. It's cool, definitely cooling down now a little bit with this wind blowing. Ooh, look at this. Wow. Yo, what up? This is Jason. We got, yeah, the cold front went through. It's getting a little, I can feel now, it's getting a little cooler out now, and the humidity's coming down a little bit. But this is the beginning of real cool weather. Yeah, the front is finally through. Oh, look how windy it is. Wow. I'm doing all the trees. See, look at the wind blowing. Wow. Ooh. Hey, it's chasing. The wind is blowing like crazy, about 30 to 40 miles an hour in gusts. Wow. And look at the dark sky. Maybe we'll get severe thunderstorms too. Look at this. This shit crazy. Yeah. Look at that. Look at the wind blowing. That tree blowing like real hard. Yep. Holy mackerel. Look, it's making noises. Ooh. I think a branch just fell. There it is. It got, yeah, it did. It cracked, but it got stuck on that branch, see? Right there. Oh, it's a dead branch. That's why it snapped. Wow. Look at the sky. Look how dark it is. Holy mackerel.